Hello folks. Hello folks. Yeah, welcome to technicaljungle.com. Today we are going to run our brand new first program for Kotlin over Android Preview 3.0.0. This is a very small program, but writing a program from the scratch for the Kotlin is a good learning. So we are going to start from the hello world. For that, hide on the system, and next one is keep in mind this checkbox has to be checked, has to be enabled, which is going to extend the support for Kotlin. So on the next screen, it'll say it'll ask what could be the minimum SDK version and which platform you are going to write this project. One additional thing we are able to get here is this option, Android Things option. So Android Thing option will is a new thing for Android 3.0, which is going to provide you the BLE and Wi-Fi support, where you can do IoT stuff. So we'll see that very next. Now we are going to write only the hello world. Let's concentrate on this. So we are going to choose as a empty activity here. Go next and type this as a hello world activity.
Gradle sync started. Project setup started. Gradle sync finished in 6 is 167 milliseconds.
The new application, the new project has been created, where we have to start writing our code for hello world. This is the structure for it. Default class has been created as Kotlin. So whenever you are going to create a new project, the very first file which will be created, that will be in Kotlin extension. Have a look on this extension. It says that hello world activity.kt. kt is Kotlin, and yes, there we are going to write the stuff for Kotlin supported things. We are going to create one more class which is in Java, so that we can realize the differences between Kotlin and Java parallelly. So and if you press new, then you have both the options, Java and Kotlin. Let's choose that as Java. Hello Java world. What's the extension? It's v7 supported activity, which is here. Remove this guy, yeah. And this is the callback that must have to be included. Set content view as we used to add the layout. Hello world, I am mapping the same XML. In Kotlin also it is having the same XML. In normal ways, what we used to do here is there's a text view which says hello world, and let's give some ID over here. So the ID is text hello world. Which way we used to give in Java? Let's have a look on this. In Java we used to give in this way. set text. There you can add as hello world Java. This is for Java. So for the Kotlin, what could be the ways? Find view by ID. Can we give this way? Kotlin is having a different signature of defining the mapping the views, defining the views, and the method signature also will be different. Hello world Kotlin. We don't have to close this with semicolon, semicolon. It's not required here. Try to run this with the emulator. Hello world Kotlin. It came as hello world Kotlin. Grace. Let's go to manifest and try to change this guy as hello Java world and try to see what the result is. Hello world Java. It came as hello world Java. So our Java file and Kotlin file both are correct. What could be the next way? Let's try to find some other ways to update the text view, which is okay. What was the ID? ID of the view was this. It says if you try to add the ID, it will say that you need to import synthetic property from the Kotlin X. So what is the synthetic property? So synthetic property is the one which is going to map with your XML file. So here in this case, activity underscore hello underscore world dot XML is the XML is the view file for this particular, which is mapped with this activity, and there is a synthetic property associated with this XML file, so which is giving the option to remove the boilerplate code. In this case, we don't have to write the find view by ID. Just import this guy and dot set text, simply set text. So which is a very handy and very standard way to write the clean code. Now I'll give you example. Let's say there are 10 views. So in one state that 10 views are visible and other 10 views are invisible, and in second ways vice versa is happening. So in that case, if let's say if find view by ID things are there, then it is going to kind of you have to write this code for 20 times for 20 views, right? So total 20 times you have to write the find view ID. So this is the awesome initiative by which you are going to remove that boilerplate code, which is working in the same way. What is this called as synthetic property? That import also is happened here. Synthetic property. This is a very nice property in the Kotlin. Synthetic. So this is synthetic property. Make this enable so that next time the device will be remembered. Let's see what the result. Awesome. So both ways is working well. You can print this with the help of toast as well. Make text test. Have a look on this tooltip, which is added in front of this. So this is tooltip, which is handy in order to write the parameter, which is going to help you to give you the tooltip to identify and write the proper parameter. So first one is this. Second one is the same text. This comes when form of toast, and the next one is toast dot shot. Yes, and show it. So if you find this, you'll find you'll get the toast as well to show the result. Awesome, toast. So this is the first program for Kotlin, which is showing the hello world and different types, different ways by which you can write the hello world. I hope you like this video. So I request to subscribe it for further connection with Technical Jungle and further connection with Kotlin, Java, and Android learnings. Thank you.